Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing your materials and creating a clean workspace. This step saves time later. Fold each stack of paper in half and score the crease with a bone folder so pages sit flat. Once done, nest groups into signatures of 4/8 sheets depending on thickness. Make sure the cover is trimmed slightly larger than the pages. Mark equidistant stitch points along the fold, using a ruler so your binding will align neatly and the notebook will open smoothly. You now bind signatures with a simple saddle stitch to secure pages. This is where durability is built. Thread your needle, pass through the center hole and tie or link to the next signature, pulling tension so stitches sit snug but not tight. Once signatures are connected, stitch the ends and secure with a knot hidden inside the fold. Make sure to reinforce the spine with linen tape or diluted PVA glue for extra strength. This prevents loosening and keeps the notebook flexible for regular. You finish by trimming and pressing to achieve a professional look. Careful finishing matters. Trim any uneven page edges with a sharp blade, then wrap the cover and press the closed book under a heavy weight for 12-24 hours so glue and fibers settle. If the spine gaps or pages pull loose, tighten the stitching and add a small strip of glue inside the hinge. Make sure to replace any frayed thread and retie knots. This quick fix restores strength without
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.